Yes, welcome to Nifty's English. Today I will teach about that how to make a cup of tea. Okay, let's start the lessons. How to make a cup of tea. Okay, we all taste the tea. Everyone know that. Okay, cup of tea. Start. Everyone like a tea. When we feel very tired or sad, even with feel very happy to drink tea or coffee like that. I also like a tea. Anyway, I drink the tea twice of the time in one day. Okay, let's start the lesson. First step is boil some water. This is a very basic thing. Second one is pour the boiled water into the teapot. Third one is third one is add tea leaves and keep it for a few seconds. Fourth one is now strain it to a jug. It's most important. Fifth one is add some sugar and milk to taste as per taste. Someone add the milk powder or like that. Okay, sixth one is stir or mixed well. This is the last step, the cup of coffee. Now let's enjoy the tea. Okay guys, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Keep in touch with us.